Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. In today's class, let's learn a new lesson on educational rights. Inshallah, at the end of the lesson, you will be aware of the importance of education and you will be able to list various educational schemes and you will learn about right to education. What is education? Is it necessary? Education is important for people as well as the nation. Education is the first step for a child's development. Education improves knowledge, skills, values, and the quality of one's life. It also helps in overall development of a country. Next, let's see importance of education. Education doesn't mean that one should be literate. It is much more than that. According to Mahatma Gandhi ji, literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education. Real education consists in drawing the best out of yourself. Education helps in broadening one's mind. It removes superstitious beliefs. Education helps in increasing awareness of surroundings, social and political issues. It also develops wisdom. Next, tell me, can you identify this picture? It is the Gurukulam. Gurukulam is a system of education that was practiced in ancient India. Here, Guru is the teacher and Sishya is a student, and they both lived in ashram. Next, let's have a look at few educational schemes. Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, SSA. This Sarva Siksha Abhiyan was launched in the year 2001. Objectives of this Sarva Siksha Abhiyan is increasing the enrollment in primary schools and improving the quality of education. Next comes the Right to Education Act, RTE, specifies different responsibilities to the local authorities and government to ensure free and compulsory education. RTE 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 years of age. Here, education should be affordable to common people. There should be no discrimination in education. Education should be based on need of the child, and the child should be at the center of an education system. Next, let's learn few important features of RTE. Until the completion of elementary education, no student is stopped from school. Improvement in the quality of education. School infrastructure should be improved every 3 years. Next, let's see RMSA, that is Rashtriya Madhyamik Siksha Abhiyan. It was launched in the year 2009. The aim of this program is to raise the maximum level of education to class 10. And next comes Samagra Siksha. This Samagra Siksha works on girls' education. This Samagra Siksha subsumes the 3 schemes of Sarva Siksha Abhiyan, SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Siksha Abhiyan, RMSA, and teachers' education. And next, National Education Policy, NEP. The first National Education Policy was implemented in 1968, followed by the second one in 1986. In 2019, the Government of India has framed the National Education Policy to promote education among the people. The NPE covers all educational systems from primary to college level. Next important thing is child labor. Child labor is not allowed in our country. All children are entitled to have free and compulsory education. The most important milestone in education is the free midday meal program, which was implemented by the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraj. Perundalaivar K. Kamaraj's birth anniversary, that is 15th of July, is celebrated as Educational Development Day in recognition of his contribution to the development of education. That's it, my dears. Hope you all understood. But before we end, let's have a short recap. Education is very important for every individual. Every child has the right to have free and compulsory education. Education should be affordable to common people. The Right to Education Act 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for children between the age of 6 to 14. Samagra Shiksha scheme improves the quality of education and the learning of students. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.